Is social media driving you crazy? I haven't got the time to get involved in social media. It will take me too long to update all those sites. I am too busy running my business. Well, not anymore. The Social Media Spider's Web is a video-based training product designed to help to cut out the social media overwhelm, increase your online visibility, and explode your traffic. Inside, you will find step-by-step videos which show you how to set up, optimize, integrate, and automate your social marketing. You will also discover tips and techniques to build your community, find engaging content, and become a social media authority in your niche. This program is a step-by-step walkthrough guide to complete and total social media connectivity. So are you ready to get connected? Just click the link below and start to wave your social media spider's web today.